back to the channel, guys. Hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem codes in Free Fire to unlock free rewards like skins, bundles and many more. So let's get started with the video. First, you can open any browser in your device. You can also use Google or just go to reward.ff.garena.com. This is the official site of Garena Free Fire, so don't use any fake ones. Log in using the same account you used in Free Fire, that is Google, Facebook, Apple or guest account won't work. Here you have to simply type your 12-digit redeem code. Make sure you enter it correctly with no spaces. Once you have typed in your 12-character redeem code, click on confirm, and if the code is valid, you'll see a success message and rewards are sent directly to your in-game mail within 24 hours. So it might take some time like 24 hours or a few hours for the rewards to come into your account, so don't panic and wait patiently. After that, simply open your Free Fire and go to your in-game mailbox, and there you can claim your free rewards from there. So make sure you stick to this website right here, reward.ff.garena.com, and don't fall for any fake websites so that you can redeem your code easily. And that's how you can redeem codes in Free Fire. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.